Look, I'ma take it back to just a little kid. As far back as I can remember, man, I've been dreaming of doing this. But I wasn't surrounded by people in the business. Wasn't a bunch of money around me, just a bunch of people trying to get in a biological father. But it didn't make no fucking difference. My mama was always there, man, I didn't know how she did it. But I always had plenty to eat and didn't want for shit from trader to trader. And even though we wasn't rich, and I could never pay my mama back for the shit she done. Just tell her that I love her and I hope she's proud of her one and only son. Keep growing, stand up to struggle face to face. Be strong and keep fighting. Remember to always run your race, even though I'm so far away. Don't even know where I'm going, man.
Trying hard to find out who I am.
Yeah, and I'ma keep trying.
They all say that I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, but they just talking though.
I say they don't hardly understand.
They don't hardly understand me. Look, I've had it bad, but I ain't the only one with problems. Got it better than most. So I'm just trying to thank the Father in heaven above for all the blessings He gives. Hold my head up high and not fall back into the BS. But it's that circle, having to say goodbye. Everything that I love, it leaves 100% of the time. That's why my heart is scarred. My attitude is fucking. I try to hold a job, but it just feels like I'm stuck. So I medicate and meditate, reflecting and reminiscing, thinking about the past and all the people that I'm missing. Wishing that I could see a way out, but everything around me's black and I guess I'll never know how. When the fuck could a bitch be so heartless and cold, with no shame or remorse? It's the oldest story ever told. Just know Mackenzie Rose, that I loved you before we met. You're the answer to my prayers, baby girl, you can bet that I'm so far away. Don't even know where I'm going, man.
Trying hard to find out who I am.
Yeah, and I'ma keep trying.
They all say that I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, but they just talking though.
I say they don't hardly
I say
understand.
they don't hardly understand me. Look, I just wanna do right and be a better man. Everything I know to do, I did it and it never goes as planned. But I just focus on the truth in this music. Try to make sense of my mind and pray to God I don't lose it, so I can rise up above and beyond this shit. Be everything that was made to be and die with respect. And hopefully get back to some way to make the world a better place so the next generation can save us from ourselves and each other. We keep on fighting for change and I keep on writing these lyrics, trying to make a name for hillbilly and all my redneck folks, my family and friends and the people that love me the most, so I can represent and conquer all the demons within me. Representations of my past is always there to fucking haunt me, but you can bet I'll make it over and pass the test. And I'd have made it to the finish yet, but I've always done my best, even though I'm so far away. Don't even know where I'm going, man.
Trying hard to find out who I am.
Yeah, and I'ma keep trying.
They all say that I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, but they just talking though.
I say they don't hardly
I say
understand.
they don't hardly understand me.
So
Look,
far away from knowing where I'm going.
Thank you. Thank you, y'all. Hey, my name is Hillbilly. I'm from Middle Tennessee. You can find me on YouTube at The Real Hillbilly 1. The Real Hillbilly 1. Y'all look me up. Show me love, you know what I'm saying? Thank you all for coming out.